Okay, hey guys, what's up and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about sky replacement using a software called Luminar AI. Easy way to replace sky on basically any photo. So let's go. Once you open Luminar AI, you can add your picture clicking on a plus up here. You can add a folder or an image. I've already added an edited image right here. Once it's open, we click on an edit tab, and on the right hand side we have creative and a sky. We want to click sky selection and choose sky that we want, this one. Luminar did okay job. We have a few things to correct. First is horizon. We can see the gap right here. We want to click on a horizon and just drop it a little bit down. Okay, then we can see we have issues with details right here and here. We're gonna go on a global. We have 3 sliders we can use to refine the mask. Global, then we're gonna use close gaps, much better. And we're gonna go with fixed details, and this looks perfect. We have few options to play with the reflection, without and with reflections. And at this point, you can be done. We have before, we have after. With only a few clicks, we replace the sky and it looks amazing. Few things to be aware of. When you're replacing the sky, you want to make sure where are your highlights and where are your shadows. On this photo, we can see that sun is hitting from the right side and the shadows are on the left. So when you're doing any kind of sky replacement, be aware of that, because you do not want to have this sun on the left, highlights on your right, and vice versa. So guys, this is it. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to right here, and see you in the next one. Bye.